So that's a Motion RC. That's like a $299 plane. $300 US. But you get everything.
Sure, the whole kit.
Yeah, they're redoing the runway next year.
Yeah, I saw
can't
that
wait.
video you posted about the guy making a jet engine.
No, that was my brother or someone else.
No, that was interesting.
See, look how nice that one
It's like the
goes.
guy just made out of garbage, you know? Like, pretty much. It's just, yeah, it's just wood, plywood, and jet engine. But dude, like, that plane, it has quite a bit of power. Like, you could definitely turn it into a weapon, like, no problem.
Dude, I gotta bring out the F-35 next. I'm almost there. I'm still not quite ready, but
This
soon.
plane feels heavier than your, I think.
It's gonna fly nicer. Heavier flies nicer.
Right? Is that exactly the one you have, or do you?
No, mine's huge compared to
Oh,
that.
yeah,
That's
okay.
like a hand toss one. Doesn't have gear.
It looks the same, right?
It's definitely windy. See a little turbulence on it.
Oh yeah.
I want to figure out how to zoom in on this camera actually. Let's try this out.
Wow, I don't see a single bird around here. The birds are probably like, fuck this. What are these freaking flying monsters?
Yeah, I don't know how to zoom. That I gotta figure out. It's actually easier to handle this camera while it's on your head versus like trying to film with it. Oh, he's coming in for a landing.
Already, damn.
Here we
I
go.
guess the fuel density is still, energy density is still.
Oh, he's coming in real slow. Wow. Wow, these things are great.
You know, damage it. I suppose it makes sense with this weather.
Wow, beautiful. Very nice.
Damn, that was fast.